Garter stitch is one of the most versatile stitches that you're going to learn, and it's actually the very first stitch you learn because it's done just by knitting every row, and there's no difference between the right side of your work and the wrong side of your work. It looks the same. It's got these series of ridges and furrows. You've got the furrows in here and the ridges up there. And one of the most useful things about garter stitch is it lies completely flat, because the stitches balance each other out. By doing knit on each side, the ridges and the furrows give each other a nice balance, and it doesn't curl and it lays completely flat. What you will also discover is that it kind of compresses a lot vertically, so it kind of pulls up like this quite a bit with garter stitch. So you need to knit a lot more rows in garter stitch than you would for something like stockinette stitch. So all you need to do to work garter stitch is literally knit every stitch. For me, I'm an English style knitter. I tension my yarn and hold it in the right, and then I just knit my stitches by going into the first stitch like this, from left to right, wrapping the stitch, pulling it through and taking it off. Put the next stitch in, wrap it around, push it through and lift it off. Push it through, wrap it round, pull it off. And that's all there is to it. There's other ways you can change it and make little variations as you go along, like slipping the edges, or perhaps, you know, doing a few other tweaks as you go. But for basic garter stitch, all you're doing is knitting every stitch on both sides.